Starting from zero and wondering if building wealth is even possible? Here's the truth. It absolutely is. You don't need a trust fund or a six-figure job to create financial security. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build wealth from nothing, even if you're just starting out today. Let's get to it. Hey everyone. Welcome to the channel where we talk about all things personal finance, investing, and achieving financial freedom. If you're new here, I'm Belinda, and my mission is to help you take control of your money, no matter where you're starting from. So if that sounds good, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Building wealth can feel overwhelming, especially if you're starting from scratch. But trust me, it's not about where you start, it's about the steps you take moving forward. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to set a strong financial foundation, grow your income, and invest wisely to build wealth over time. Let's dive in. Number 1. The mindset for building wealth. First things first. Wealth building starts in your mindset. You have to believe that financial freedom is possible for you, regardless of your current situation. The key is to stop thinking, "I can't afford it," and start asking, "How can I afford it?" That small shift changes everything. A fixed mindset keeps you stuck, while a growth mindset pushes you to find opportunities, even in tough circumstances. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. It's the actions you take consistently that make the difference. Number 2. Build a solid financial foundation. Now, let's talk about building a solid financial foundation. You can't build wealth without a strong base, so here are 3 steps to get started. Budget like a boss. Track every dollar you earn and spend. Use free tools like Mint or a simple spreadsheet to see where your money is going. Create an emergency fund. Start small. Save $500 or $1,000 for unexpected expenses. This is your safety net. Pay off high-interest debt. Tackle those credit cards first. Use the snowball or avalanche method to pay them down systematically. It doesn't matter if you can only save $10 or $20 a month. Progress, no matter how small, adds up over time. The goal is to create habits that stick. Number 3. Increase your income streams. Once you've got your financial foundation in place, it's time to focus on increasing your income. Here's the reality. Building wealth is easier when you have multiple income streams. Let me share 3 practical ways to boost your earnings. Side hustles. From freelancing on platforms like Fiverr to selling digital products on Etsy, there are endless opportunities to make extra money online. Upskilling. Learn high-demand skills like coding, graphic design, or digital marketing. Websites like Coursera or Skillshare make it affordable to gain valuable expertise. Passive income. Start small by investing in dividend stocks, creating a blog, or affiliate marketing. These streams might take time to grow, but they'll pay off in the long run. Remember, you don't need to quit your 9-to-5 to start earning more. Even an extra $100 a month can make a huge difference when you invest it wisely. Number 4. Save and invest wisely. This is where the magic happens, investing. You don't have to be a financial expert to start investing. Just take small, consistent steps. Here's how. Start with what you can. Apps like Acorns and Robinhood let you invest with as little as $5. Focus on low-cost index funds like VU or ETFs for diversification. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts. It's a set it and forget it strategy that works wonders. Think long-term. Compounding interest is your best friend. Even if you're investing small amounts, time will help your money grow exponentially. Here's a fun fact. If you invest just $200 a month in an index fund with an 8% return, you'll have over $120,000 in 20 years. Imagine what you can achieve by starting today. Number 5. Adopt wealth-building habits. Lastly, building wealth comes down to the habits you develop. Successful people manage their time, energy, and money wisely. Here are 3 habits to adopt. Track your net worth. Use tools like personal capital to measure your financial growth. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Keep learning. Read personal finance books, listen to podcasts, and stay informed about money trends. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, and you'll get there. Building wealth from scratch might seem overwhelming, but now you have the blueprint. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. Whether you're budgeting, side hustling, or investing, every step brings you closer to financial freedom. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's ready to start their wealth building journey. Comment below which step you're going to take first. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal finance, side hustles, and investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.